Culture TV. Yes, man. Description, go up on anything, subscribe to the anything, big up the anything, like up the thing. Them thing about bag of thing I go on pan it way, you know. Very nice and cool, you see me? Yeah man, whole heap of fun I go along over there, no go on over there. RN family same way. You see me? Yeah, big up to the every one of the YouTuber them same way. You see it? Whole heap of love and respect. So today now we are doing a day 3 or day 4 night challenge. You know, then call it one a nature walk. You see me? So me in the bush. You see it, I go and look on some plant. You see me? Pumpkin this, nothing start beer it, you see it? Yeah, beer and start beer, but they run. Farm all and clean up to, you see me? Lot of nice skin that we can eat. For real, man. You know? I go and hold some mid sometime in the bush, you know. Yeah, here we can the class say, right there on the hillside. No, nobody, you say, I understand. So, you know, on the hillside now in the bush I go and look on the farming, same way. You see me? Yeah man, cane. You want plant this, so you know, start shoot it, plant and banana. Same way. You see now they call it cocoa. You want to look like a wild cocoa, because I don't plant no cocoa here, so you know that come there, so. You know. But I know it's a lot of cane there, same way. You know, so plant there. You know, so we are planting the field later on. Like you was planting, make planting porridge, you know. Yeah, nice, you see it? Yeah, some people don't like porridge, and some sick people drink porridge, but I'm not sick for drink porridge. Drink porridge anytime. You know. So I go to your farm still. Remember, if you go down in the description, the RN family, Topswaggtv, Manstarock, and the Morrison Monroe. Remember, check out them people channel. A bag of things are going on over there, you see me? Remember me telling you. Well nice and cool. Alright. So, but then yes or no, then call the thing again. They use the wash here. There's some boy thing on name. We make a Highland and thing there. I don't remember what the thing on name. Yeah, in my head all along and I'll come here some remember the name. Bombat. You know? But I got you still. You see me? Yeah. So look how banana tree are well little. So you see them, I don't know what them. In a team look like a cocoa. I don't know how. You know. I have one look a peace tree I come see them way. Well nice. You see me? Big up to the channel them same way and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yeah, pepper tree. What we have the gungo peas that grow by pepper tree, same way look like say you want to clean up. But there are some gungo trees so same way they don't ready yet because them things look like they have special time for ready. You see me? Yeah, so see the thing there, go on. I want nice banana right there, so. You know, I can see it there. It's so hot in the bush, you see me? You have one next thing right there, so it's a green bush so right there, so. Green tree right there, so. Then call it a noonie. Down deep in night. See it a noonie then call it. Yeah, I guess so, noonie. Then say good for all kind of something, you see me? Sometimes you get anything there and soak them. Get the ripe on them and soak them. After you soak them now, water drain off of it, you can drink it. You know, then say a good medicine for pressure, diabetes, all them things there, you see it? Yeah. Still I go up more in the bush, see me. See? Bush there, you know. Just plant up the place. I remember me say, go down in the description, Manstarock and Topswaggtv, Morrison Monroe, and the RN family. Yeah, I subscribe to them people channel here and show them people love. You see it? When I see good people, you know good people, you show good people love. And everybody stay the same way, you know, so hands are not together and we spread the thing, love what the thing and share the thing. You know, we help one another, you see it? Back again, nature walking and call it day 3. Day 3 or day 4 challenge. I challenge the pan said way, so just show some love people and hold it for respect. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Lift up the thing and uprise the thing. And don't move selfish. Remember, down in the description, Topswag, Manstarock, Morrison Monroe, RN family. Yeah. So I do anything I like or anything. I know what to do already, you know. So I just go and bless out the thing same way. Show some love. You know. And one thing I see in my ground, a weed. And I smoke with them no plant no weed. Time more weed I buy, I have to buy. You know, watch ya. You know what this is? Okra. So the man them love them okra thing. Oh, the man love them okra there. Eh? Mm-hmm. You know this cartel song? Eh? Beat up your okra with your guineas, with your oats, with your nuts. Mm-hmm. So me I say, nice pepper tree again. Pepper tree already, but they go on. Well fresh and look alright. You see me? Yeah. You have some corn I see me, but they're not too ready yet neither. That's some corner, but they're not too ready yet. You see it? That's some corner, they're not too ready yet. They go on still. You know? Yeah. Go through same way. Go through same way. Alright. So a big tree, then call it cedar. See me? Big tree right near going, so then call it cedar. It's a very nice tree. I think it's a very expensive tree too. Can't kill it, just make it grow and full. Can't make a money off of it, don't. Yeah, nature walk. You see it? And again, don't forget to go down there, description. Saying Topswag, Manstarock, Morrison, Monroe, and the RN family. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel. Don't know Culture TV they are same way. Subscribe, like and share same way. You see me? Yeah, show up love and nice sort of thing. You see it? I eat that. Culture TV. Yes man.